Hello, dear English learner. Welcome to English with Rizvi. Thank you for coming here to learn something new.
I'm your host, and let me ask you a question. Can you speak English right now? Yes, right now. Not in a test, not in a class.
Can you answer a simple question out loud? If the answer is no or not really, then this episode is for you. Today I will teach you one of the most powerful and easiest daily habits for speaking English fluently. No teacher, no grammar books. Just you, one question, and your voice. It's called the question of the day habit. If you do it every day, your English will start to flow naturally. So in this episode, I'll first explain what this habit is all about. And then we'll practice together. Let's begin. The question of the day is exactly what it sounds like. Each day you choose one simple question. English is very easy to learn, so don't be shy to speak English and then answer it out loud in English. That's it. You don't need a teacher, a class, or grammar books. You just need your voice, one question, one answer, and don't worry. We'll practice together if you do this every day. Your brain will start to think in English. You'll feel more confident when speaking. You'll speak faster and make fewer mistakes. You'll sound more natural. It's a very small daily habit, but the results are big why it works. One, you practice thinking in English. Two, you practice forming real sentences. Three, you get used to your own English voice. For you don't need anyone else. Speaking fluently doesn't mean knowing everything. It means being able to say something without panic or stress. Every day when you answer a new question, you train that skill. The more you do it, the easier it gets.